What actually happened when that SpaceX rocket upper stage slammed into the moon? It blasted a massive 60-foot crater into the lunar surface, and honestly, seeing the new photos from NASA completely blew my mind. It is wild to think about an 8,000-pound piece of space junk plowing into the moon at over 5,000 miles per hour. NASA just released the before and after pictures from their Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, and the detail is insane. You can literally see these huge dark and bright streaks shooting out from the crest side like giant butterfly wings. The impact happened near Einstein Crater after the booster drifted through space for over a year. This spent Falcon 9 upper stage launched back in January 2025 carrying private moon landers. Eventually, gravity caught up with it, and boom, it slammed into the ground with the force of nearly 3 tons of TNT. Ground telescopes even picked up a massive gas plume stretching miles high. That is crazy, seriously. Now nobody was hurt and no active landers were hit, which is a huge relief. But it definitely highlights a growing concern. Space is getting crowded fast. If we are planning to build permanent bases and send astronauts back to the moon, rogue space junk becomes a real danger. You cannot have multi-ton rocket stages accidentally bombarding areas where people might eventually live and work. That matters. At the same time, scientists got valuable data on crater formation that they usually never get to see live, so it is kind of a double-edged sword. What is your take on this? Is lunar space debris going to be a major headache for future missions, or is this just the cost of progress? Let me know in the comments below.